Ladies and gentlemen,
The ultimate hair tutorial.
Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my channel in which I'm going to show you how to get this fabulous blowout step by step, and I'm going to show you all of my secrets to have the most beautiful perfect blowout. So please follow through or sit and relax, grab a cup of coffee, just do whatever they need to do today, and let's get started.
Wash and dry.
Now we're gonna go to the part in which I'm gonna start drying my hair. So I just wash it and I use some hair products that I'm gonna show you now. So it's like almost dry because I was using that microfiber towel that helps you to dry your hair faster and also to prevent any breakage. Also now I'm gonna like detangle it because I don't detangle it while I'm in the shower or while it's very wet, because your hair follicles are weaker during this time, so you shouldn't be doing this. You should do it like after it's a little bit dry. So these are the products that I use to wash my hair. This is the shampoo that I always use. It helps with dandruff, so if you have dandruff, trust me, this is the shampoo that you need forever because it's really gonna help you. And then I went in with these two hair masks. This is my favorite, most affordable hair mask. This is a little bit pricier, but it's the one that I'm currently using right now. I use different hair masks depending on my hair needs, but right now these are the ones that I'm using. So after I wash my hair, I use my favorite leave-in conditioner. You probably heard of it, and I just like spritz it all over my hair. Okay, so after it's all there, I just kind of like go through with my hands like through my hair like this. And then before I detangle, I actually use this serum for the hair. It's really good for hair loss and it's pretty much my favorite so far. I'm literally running out. Like I think you can, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough for today, but I just put it primarily on my front line and the front of my hair. I actually have to repurchase this. I love this. Like it helps you with hair growth, with hair loss, hair thinning. It's from Davines. I'm gonna try to link everything that I'm using down in the bio. Now I'm gonna go and massage it. I really don't massage it like this because this brush, which is for scalp massage, I also use it for detangling my hair. And I just like first kind of massage my scalp with it, and then I go through like all my hair and detangle it with this brush. Finished detangling my hair, and now I'm gonna go in with some products because today I'm gonna blow dry it and I want it very sleek. I'm gonna be using these two products also from Redken, so you can tell I'm a Redken fan. Yeah, the products really work great for my hair, so I just use it a lot. So this is the Frizz Dismiss. It's like a leave-in conditioner and it also has heat protectant. And the other leave-in that I showed you earlier, this one also has heat protectant, so I'm getting a lot of heat protection. So I just put this because this really helps like with the, you see I have like some frizz and I also have like a lot of volume because my hair is naturally curly, so I need it. And this one, it's like a spray smooth. I haven't really used this one a lot, so this is gonna be like my first try with it. As you can tell, I already put the Frizz Dismiss on. Now I'm gonna go in with the spray. So I literally just like spray it on your hair. You can kind of see already that the Frizz Dismiss really worked, because if you go like a few minutes back, I had a lot of frizz there, which is not there anymore. Then what you're supposed to do is comb through the hair. Product can distribute evenly throughout all your hair fibers. As I was drying my hair, I remember something. You don't want to go like this, you know, because it's just gonna tangle your hair. You want to go like this, and also try to focus on the roots, because if you have curly hair, the Shark, the blow dryer brush, it's not really good at getting like your roots very slick. So you have to make sure they're more dry than your ends, so when you go with the blow dryer you can spend more time there and you don't burn your hair because it's already so dry. So that's why I was saying that you're not supposed to get it to 100% dryness when you're using this mode, which is what I like to start, because there are other people that like to start with the blow dryer mode directly, but I don't like that because you are just damaging your hair a lot. But when you could just go like dry a little bit like this, then you have less heat damage. Pretty much that's what we're trying to avoid when we're using this type of tools at home. Once you reach this level of dryness, that's when you're gonna stop. I try to, like you saw, I try to focus a lot on my roots because I don't want them to be wet. So if you have a Shark, you're probably wondering, which one should I use, the round brush or the flat brush? For me personally, I don't like this brush because it doesn't do anything for me. This is the one that I use the most, and this is the one that we're gonna use now. But before we do that, I need to tell you certain things about the Shark that you need to know. With the official drying process, I do need to tell you certain things. So first thing that you need to know is that when you're drying your hair with the Shark, you have to make sure that you separate your hair properly, because then you're gonna get breakage, and that's why people are like, oh my god, I use like a hair tool at home and it ruined my hair. This is the #1 problem, that you're not parting your hair properly when you are going with the Shark. And then when you go through with the Shark, then you like kind of grab hairs that are like from the division that you have on top, and then it breaks, so you don't want that. So make sure that when you're dividing your hair, it's as perfect as possible. I know you can't see the back of your hair, but like, you know, try to follow like an imaginary line so that doesn't happen to you. And then we're gonna start doing that, and you're gonna see me as I go. Something else is that today actually I'm going with a flat iron because I really want a very slick look. And not like slick because I don't like slick straight. I like slick with like kind of waves and volume, but since I'm going to the gym, it's gonna get a little bit ruined soon, so I want to preserve my blowout for a little bit longer. But if it was like a regular day or regular situation, I would just use the Shark, and for me that's perfect. Like, I don't need to use a flat iron or anything. I just use it like in special occasions or in moments where I want to preserve my blowout a little bit longer, because I haven't been blow drying my hair in like a couple weeks because I've been exercising a lot, so I don't want to like heat damage my hair. Ready to go. Make sure you don't grab it here because it kind of can fly away. Grab it like here. You're gonna see when I start. This is the results of the like kind of couple passes with the Shark. So for me that's good enough. When I finish my hair, it's gonna look good, especially with the night care. But I'm going in with this flat iron. This is nothing special and not very tech, but I literally just go on my roots because they're very rebel and I want them to be very slick. So I just do like a few passes, and then I really don't go again. That's it. And I repeat the process throughout the other sections. The reason why I do this simultaneously is because I don't want to like blow dry with the Shark and then I have to go again through all my hair. For me that's like a lot of work, so I rather just do it now instead of like finishing and then going back later, because then I feel like very overwhelmed. And this process takes me like about an hour, just so you know. So I'm gonna keep doing it, and then I'm gonna come back when I do something new. Okay, now you can see like a comparison, the flat iron side, the Shark side. Obviously with the Shark side it can go more sleek, but since I'm going with the flat iron, I don't really like go in depth with it or like so many times, because I'm gonna use this, it's gonna look this good. So let's continue. I want to make a stop here. As you can see, it's already good enough. Like, look at the before, look at the after. I just go with the flat iron because it just gave me like a couple days more of blowout, but you can tell the Shark is worth it for the people that are saying, no, it doesn't work, ruins your hair. Look, just see it for yourself. Before and after. I'm so tired by this point. Like, I just want to finish, but I'm almost there. So this is like all the hair we have so far, and also like this tiny hair piece which belongs to my bangs. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. I'm so tired now. I just have this left, and I'm gonna show you the final results because I just want to finish by this point. I know this is very, very tedious, but it's worth it because you can tell like I can have healthy, beautiful hair and I can do it at home anytime. It's just great, but let me finish. Last step in my hair routine is hair perfume. This is like the one that gets me the most compliments. It smells really good, so I just go in and I spritz it like every time I'm going out. Okay guys, so we are done. This is the final result of my hair. I hope that you liked this video and that my tips for having a very flawless, slick look, beautiful hair. I'm so happy because actually it turned out beautiful. And my hair, oh my god, I need to show you a picture. My hair grew like crazy, girl. Well, if you like this video and you like my content, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow my tips, and also subscribe so you can have more tips and you can see me. Bye.